When you think about artificial superintelligence or ASIs, the first thing that knocks my head is Terminator. Hey everybody, how you guys doing? ASI is a hypothetical type of AI that is much more intelligent than human beings. It is called artificial superintelligence. The reason why we call it superintelligence because it is super intelligent. It can do anything that a human can do 100 times faster, 1,000 times faster, million times faster. It can do math, science, everything. It can learn, adapt. The bottom line is it has more power than any human being. It has more strength than any human being. It is much smarter than any other human being, at least a million or a billion times smarter. But the bottom line is we have not yet developed an ASI, or even if we have, it is not in public domain. ASI would be able to solve any human problems that a human being can, and it would be able to do it much faster and much more effectively. ASI is not yet possible, or at least not yet possibly seen in public domain. But it is topic of speculation among some AI researchers, because some people think that AI will never see the light of the day. But I humbly disagree with all of them. In the 1980s, no one knew that we would have something called the internet, and a 55-year-old man would be talking to his 5-year-old grandson through a 12-inch screen that would literally be called a fluff and a fugazi 2 decades ago. But it's possible right now, and we are doing it. And now we have the metaverse and the cryptos and Bitcoin and Web3 and decentralization and so much stuff. Human beings have progressed in the last 100 years like none other. Like if you see the way evolution has taken place, it's the last 5,000 years and then the last 100 years. We have just skyrocketed everything. Everything. So I'm very much optimistic that within the next 5 years or before 2030, we will have an artificial superintelligence. But the big question that comes up with artificial superintelligence is this ASI going to help us, or it's going to beat us in our own game? That is the question. I hope this was really helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Thank you.